Oh, hi everybody! I'm El from Enjoy Spoonful. Does it happen sometimes that you play some video game, you fail or die too many times, and you just think that the only thing that makes you feel better is some hummus and some flatbread? No? Just me? Well, I don't care. I'm gonna show you how to make it anyway. So first, let's start making the flatbreads. So just take all the ingredients that you can see on this side of me right now, and drop them into the bowl. But in that order, meaning that first put flour, paprika, salt and pepper, and olive oil, of course, and then on water and start mixing it in properly. As soon as it becomes like a one big lump, you can start kneading it, like I showed in my other video of focaccia. Just click over here. When the dough becomes nice, bouncy, elasticy, then you're done with it. You can put it back into the bowl, cover the clingfilm and leave it to rest. Why do we do that? So that the flatbread is softer and not as tough when you cook it. Next thing, what we're gonna do is make the hummus. And for that, I would really recommend have a food processor because that helps quite a lot. Because it just like chops everything pretty quickly itself. So for hummus, we need tahini, chickpeas, lime juice specifically, olive oil, salt, pepper. I also use paprika in this one, and garlic as well. So just put it in your food processor, start blitzing it up till it becomes smooth or chunky, whatever you prefer. When we're done with those, we're moving to the stove to make the flatbread. For the flatbreads, you have to make sure that the pan is getting really hot. And so use a big flat pan. But before you put the pan on the stove, don't forget to roll out your dough. So in the proportion I'm gonna give you, you can make up to 8 flatbreads. So make first a sausage of the dough, and cut it in 2s, in 4s, and 8s. Roll them out in a sort of circular shape, and then you can start frying them. Dry frying them, by the way. So yeah, when the pan is hot, put the flatbread on the pan. When it starts getting bubbly up, then you turn it around. You can see a bit of char on the other side, but that's still also all right. There's an extra flavor bit there, so don't you worry about that. Keep on going until all of them are done. So after making your flatbread, putting your hummus into a bowl, you're ready to give it to your friends for a party, or you're ready to enjoy it while you try to not die in video games. So this is it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please click on the like button. This does help a lot. You may leave a comment if you like it, if you think I messed up something, or you think I missed something, or you think you did like it, the recipe itself, it's also fine. Subscribe if you see more of those videos, and next week I'll be making hot sauce. That's a lot, I know. Luckily I live with 4 people who could help me with that. So stay tuned for the next week.